My people, this na TMC TV and radio. My name na Oba Ewuare, and as you know for TMC TV and radio, not only when concern you, when concern mama, when concern pikin, when concern everybody, to make sure say our Ogbodo Naija dey better. Now they carry come your domot, and this time one sharply give Victoria as they come out from Benin City on top the 6th coronation anniversary of Omonoba Ukwa Oba Ewuare II as the leadership and members of Neo-Black Movement of Africa, where people sabi as NBM of Africa, don't pay homage to the Oba of Benin, His Royal Majesty Omonoba Ukwa Oba Ewuare II. National President for NBM of Africa, Olorogun Esekako, talks say the reason for this visit not to rejoice with the Oba of Benin as him mark 6 years coronation anniversary, and comes to rejoice with the palace as President Muhammadu Buhari can give Oba Ewuare II national honor of Commander of the Federal Republic.
Your Royal Majesty, permit me to read this piece on behalf of the leadership and members of the Neo-Black Movement of Africa, NBM. We felicitate with our Royal Majesty on this occasion of his 6th coronation anniversary. We as an organization also use this medium to formally rejoice with our Royal Majesty on the recent national recognition of Commander of the Order of the Federal Republic, CFR, presented to our Royal Majesty by President Oba Ewuare, GCFR, an award we believe was long overdue. NBM of Africa, whose aim and objective is to promote, preserve African culture and arts globally by striving to revive, retain, and modify where necessary those aspects of African culture that will aid humanity irrespective of race. We appreciate our Royal Majesty's pragmatic efforts and innate diplomatic acumen in sustaining the development of African tradition and culture. We also appreciate our Royal Majesty's efforts in returning historic artifacts back to Benin Kingdom. Your Royal Majesty's reign has no doubt brought tremendous transformation and returned Benin Kingdom to its pride of place as a cultural and traditional hub of the Black race. Oba Ewuare, Long live the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
Oba of Benin, Omonoba Ukwa Oba Ewuare II, talks say they're happy to see NBM of Africa and constantly and they make them continue to visit the palace of the Oba of Benin.
The President, Neo-Black Movement worldwide, I greet you, welcome you on behalf of my chiefs and members of the royal family here present. I also welcome members of your entourage. This is not the first time you have been here, this is your home. We welcome you back to the palace. I recall the last time you visited, you made a very special request that we be your father, which I also undertook that I will try and do my best to discharge my duties to you as to everybody else that require our attention. Believe, since that moment, that visit, we already started showing signs of our seriousness to support your efforts. I do hope you are already pleased by what we have started doing since that day. I've heard everything you have said in your address, taking notes of it, and we'll do our best to keep on working together with you. To keep on working together with you. We look forward to other visits as well. Thank you very much.
Popular music icon David Adeleke, when people sabi as Davido, will also be member of this Ogbonge group, come still join body with the national presido Olorogo Esekako to come Jolificate with the Oba.
Oba Ewuare, Royal Majesty, thank you for receiving the son. As a lot of you may know, my mother is from this vicinity. And my son, my first son, has the same birth as his Royal Majesty October 28th, which was different. So, same exact day. Thank you for receiving us.
Oba Ewuare II, when called Davido's son, constantly and Davido making him come Benin weller.
My own babies, one of them is sharing the same birthday with me as well. So you see, we look forward to seeing your son one day. I hope you bring it to Benin one day. You are my son. Don't stay too long. Just come like this from time to time.
These stories still come to you from the studios of TMC TV and Radio. My name na Oba Ewuare Ajakaye. I'm Bruce Oba Ewuare, and I handle camera for this production. Loretta Ojisele, and I be the linear editor, and I'm no side Dele Ogbede, and I produce this report. Don't forget your PVC and be your power, not sell and give any politician on election day.